Self-heating pot. Self-heating rice pot with braised meat and pickled cabbage. My quick lunch today.
雪菜扣肉煲仔饭，自嗨锅出品。是的，今天的午餐吃自嗨锅。
Let's explore together what are the ingredients given. Water for rice cooking. Spoon fork. Soy sauce. Tinfoil bowl.
Rice pack. Dishes pack.
煲仔饭里面有米饭、雪菜扣肉菜肴包、水、酱油、锡纸碗、茶匙和自热包。
Heating pack. Not for consumption.
Okay, displaying the whole family of braised meat pickled cabbage self-heating rice pot.
Wait no more. Proceed with cooking now.
开始煮饭喽！
Rice, all in. Dishes pack with braised meat and pickled cabbage.
No, water first.
Pour in water.
Stir a while to make sure water is thoroughly spread over the rice.
把水加入白米，搅拌均匀。
Pour the dishes on top.
然后加入菜肴。大家好，我是开动喽频道的小丽。开动喽是一个美食频道，主要做粮食产品开箱与点评，每周都会分享时下流行的方便面食、出名的地方小吃等。记得要订阅我的频道，每周和我一起开动好吃的。哇，小米，不错吗？肉挺多的。
Heating pack. Put at the bottom of the pot.
Need to handle the heating pack carefully. Don't touch it if your hands are wet.
The heating pack once contact with water will release the heat.
自热包放在包底，要小心，别弄湿。放进去时手别湿到水。
Pour water in till water level reach this line.
Put the rice bowl over the pot. Cover up.
水加入包底后，快速把米饭放在包面。
Tighten the cover. Move fast as the heat will be released very soon.
Allow 10 to 15 minutes cooking time.
盖好，煮10到15分钟。蒸煮过程中会有水蒸气不停冒出来，别试图打开锅盖偷看，容易被灼伤。我会等到不再冒蒸汽，煮完了才开盖。
Normally I'll wait till the steam finish off, then start my meal.
Everything cooked.
米饭熟了。
Last step. Pour the soy sauce onto the rice, according to individual preference.
根据喜好加入酱油，就可以开动喽。
Time to savor. Rice and the soy sauce, perfectly matched. Rice with meat chunk. Taste good. Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos2U channel.
Kudos2U is a foodie discovery channel featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core. Local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos2U channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food. Which one is tasty and yummy? Which one tastes so only?
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just a click. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points. 8.5 points for today's foodie experience.
今天的食品开箱，开动只打出8.5分高评分，点评纯属个人喜好，视频不含任何推销或抹黑成分和动机。
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the moment.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production. With that, we shall see you again next Tuesday.
约定您下周2见喽。